Today we are making a boujee ramen noodle, an elevated ramen noodle. We want it top notch it, you know what I'm saying? So I have two different kinds. I have a chicken flavor and a beef flavor. We have some peeled carrots and we have some sliced onions. This is meant to be simple, but also just a tad bit of work. You know what I'm saying? Here I have a frozen boneless chicken thigh. So the way I see it, or the way I saw it going in my head, and what I'm doing is I really want a thin slice of a piece of chicken. Kind of like so, and you'll see my vision here in a second. So yeah, we're gonna cut some thin slices of chicken. The number one reason why we're slicing a frozen chicken thigh, we want a thin sliced piece of chicken to achieve that thinliness, that thin slice. Your chicken being frozen was more achievable. And to season the chicken, we're honestly gonna stick to the basics. Minced garlic, extra virgin olive oil, some sea salt, and some black pepper. Incorporate it, get it all mixed up, get it all together. We're gonna start boiling our noodles. We got the Nissan chow mein chicken flavor, of course. Okay, so we're gonna start boiling our noodles. It says here to just add water, pop it in the microwave. We're not gonna do that, baby. We're gonna boil our noodles, period. 2 cups of water. In here we have a cookie skillet. This is meant for cookies, to make cookies. But honestly, this whole recipe is coming from in here, from my head. I came up with it. So, who knows if it's gonna be good? Who knows if it's gonna go how I envisioned it to go? So we're gonna use this cookie skillet. And we're gonna set this on medium. The cookie skillet on low. So let's start cooking the chicken.
I hope these don't stick, if I'm being quite honest.
The chow mein is done. You know what? I'm gonna crank this bitch up. It's cooking too slow. But from what I am smelling right now, I seasoned this to perfection, baby. It smells good, good. Let me add this sauce then. Why y'all let me pick this brand? Honestly, I am not impressed. I should have sticking to Maruchan. This don't taste like chicken, baby. It's giving more of a soy sauce. Explain it. So we're gonna add some chicken bouillon. One thing I do like is that it's giving a scent of it's giving a scent of like peanuts. And that's a good thing. We're gonna let the flavors dance around together. The chicken is sizzling. Let's check on it. That's what I'm looking for. That roundness. Ooh. You know what? Period. Let's taste this little piece. Mm. Well, it's a tiny piece, but dang, it's good. Period. We're gonna put the little muffin on this. We're gonna transfer this here. We're gonna put the lid on here so things don't get cold. We'll start cooking our veggies. Oh my goodness, I just had an idea. Okay, I have chipotle peppers in here. What I'm gonna do, I just want the chipotle flavor. I don't want the chile. I just want that flavor. Okay, we're gonna cover it. Okay, that's it. Thank you for your service. So here we have our ramen noodles. Okay, we'll add our chicken. We'll add our carrots and onions. How's that looking? Ooh, girl. And now we have some green onions that will top it off here. Oh my goodness, this looks too good. Too much good. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. An elevated ramen noodle. Tell me that doesn't look dank. Oh, period. Oh my god. Baby, that looks dank. La 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 la. La 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 la. And now, my favorite part, tasting. Let's incorporate everything. You know, that tad bit of chicken bouillon just fixed the flavor problem. Okay, period. Got me a piece of chicken. The flavor is there, savory. This is a 10 out of 10, but it's missing a little kick. So I'm gonna add a tad bit of sriracha. Okay. Oh yeah. You just add the rest of the ingredients. Voila! Enjoy! We have officially reached the end of my soup series. We barely scratched the soup surface. There's tons of soups out there. There's tons of Mexican soups out there that I did not include in this month. But no worries, I will keep bringing you soups here and there. Next time, I'm going to be making casseroles all of December, each Friday at 9 a.m. So, see you next Friday. And until next time, goodbye. The number one reason why we want, There you go. Oh my god, I got that on camera. If you like this recipe, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And this is an elevated ramen noodle. Now we gonna get extra with this recipe.